Xintegu manufactures premium fasteners for equipment assembly and sheet metal processing to satisfy diverse fastening demands. Panhead hex socket shoulder screws ensure precise positioning and clearance control for fixtures and precision machinery. Hex socket cap machine screws offer uniform stress and strong clamping for molds and mechanical components. Press rivet studs allow weld-free sheet metal installation, cutting processing time for metal cabinets and enclosures. Integrated hex flange machine screws feature larger bearing surfaces with stable clamping and excellent anti-vibration performance for electromechanical devices. We provide a complete lineup of fasteners with custom specifications. All clients are welcome to reach out for product details and cooperation.